Q8795. What is used to drive a supercharger? A. Exhaust gases. B. Gear train from the crankshaft. C. Belt drive through a pulley arrangement. The correct answer is B. A supercharger is driven by a gear train from the crankshaft. A gear train connects the supercharger to the engine's crankshaft, transmitting the rotational power to drive the supercharger. This allows the supercharger to compress the intake air and increase engine performance. Q8796. The purpose of a bell mouth compressor inlet is to A. Provide an increased ram air effect at low airspeed. B. Maximize the aerodynamic efficiency of the inlet. C. Provide an increased pressure drop in the inlet. The correct answer is B. The purpose of a bell mouth compressor inlet is to maximize the aerodynamic efficiency of the inlet. The bell mouth shape of the compressor inlet helps smoothly guide the incoming air into the compressor, reducing turbulence and maximizing the efficiency of air intake. Q8797. What method is used to provide clean air to the engines of helicopters and airplanes that have particle, sand, and ice separators installed? A. Positive and negative charged areas to attract and repel particulates out of the airflow. B. Air or moisture separators, and washing the air clean utilizing water droplets. C. Sharp airflow directional change to take advantage of inertia or centrifugal force, and filters or engine inlet screens. The correct answer is C. The method used to provide clean air to engines with particle separators installed is a sharp airflow directional change to take advantage of inertia or centrifugal force, combined with filters or engine inlet screens. The sharp change in airflow direction helps separate particles from the incoming air by utilizing their inertia or centrifugal force, and additional filters or screens remove any remaining particles. Q8798. The Vortex dissipators installed on some turbine-powered aircraft to prevent engine FOD utilize? A. Variable inlet guide vanes, IGV, or variable first-stage fan blades. B. Variable geometry inlet ducts. C. A stream of engine bleed air blown toward the ground ahead of the engine. The correct answer is C. Vortex dissipators installed on turbine-powered aircraft to prevent engine foreign object damage, FOD, utilize a stream of engine bleed air blown toward the ground ahead of the engine. The vortex dissipators create a swirling airflow pattern that redirects potential FOD away from the engine intake, reducing the risk of ingestion and damage. Q8799. Vortex dissipator systems are generally activated by A. A landing gear switch. B. A fuel pressure switch anytime an engine is operating. C. An engine inlet airflow sensor. The correct answer is A. Vortex dissipator systems are generally activated by a landing gear switch. The landing gear switch triggers the activation of the vortex dissipator system, ensuring that the system is operational during takeoff and landing phases when FOD hazards are more likely.